everyone, this is Dipanshi in front of you. So today I am here to give my views on the topic of one of the most famous and successful and hardworking person, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. So before starting the presentation, firstly I just want to say about the exactly meaning of success. So success means if we have a ability to do something, if we have a strong desire to achieve something in his life, so we can get anything in his life. As the same thing happens with all of us. In today's time, we all have a dream, we all have a goal, but we don't want to do hard work. We don't have a strong desire to learn something, so we cannot get anything in his life. If we want to achieve something in his life, so firstly we should do hard work in his life. So I am going to tell you about the Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. So Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was born on 15 October 1931 in the pilgrimage town of Rameshwaram, Tamil Nadu. His father, Jainul Abdin, was an imam of a local mosque, and his mother, Ashiyama, was an housewife. He was the youngest member in his family with four elder brothers and a sister. Though the family was not financially good, in order to that the family's income, Kalam had to sell newspapers in his early years. In school time, Kalam was an average student, but possessed a strong desire to learn something and was very hardworking person. And he loved the science and mathematics field. He completed his schooling from Swaraj High Secondary School and in graduation from St. Joseph College. Kalam wanted to become a fighter pilot in his life, but his dream could not be fulfilled. But he did not lose hope. He tried again and again because he wanted to become a successful person in his life. If we talk about his career as a scientist, so Kalam has graduated from the Madras Institute of Technology and then joined as a aeronautical development establishment. After becoming a member of the Indian Space and Research Service, Kalam was transferred into the Indian Space Research Organization. Kalam was a part of a number of projects, including Project Devil, but that project was not successful in his life. Yet it laid the foundation of the development of a Prithvi missile, and that missile was very successful in his life. And from that missile, his popularity he became a national hero, and his popularity went skyrocketing. And after that, Kalam was chosen the presidential nominee of Y National Democratic Alliance. So Kalam was become the 11th president of India. He also the third president who received Bharat Ratna before assuming the office of the president. And after that, Kalam became a visiting professor of Indian Institute of Technology, Madras, Indian Institute of Technology, Indore, Indian Institute of Technology, Ceylon. Due to his style of working and interaction with common people, especially the youth, he was affectionately called the People's President. So that was the struggle of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. They did struggle a lot in his life because he wanted to become a successful person in his life. So if we want to achieve in his life, so we should do hard work. We should have a strong desire to learn something in his life. So thank you guys for listening me.